This Pinterest account has 0 followers but has 10 million monthly views. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to find viral pins like this one, so you can earn daily commissions. You don't need millions of followers. You can do this even as a complete beginner. And this is the only tutorial that you should actually watch. Hey guys, welcome to Tech Trick Tutorial. In this tutorial, we're going to talk about Pinterest affiliate marketing for complete beginners. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. Before we actually started using Pinterest to get free traffic to your affiliate links, you need to find the right niche to get into. And the way that I actually found this pin idea is going over to trends.pinterest.com. Right now we are at trends.pinterest.com. As you can see right here, there's multiple topics that we can go into, but for example, you're interested in wood, you can go ahead and search your keyword right here. And as you can see, wood topic does not generate as much as traffic as we are looking to, so let's go ahead and change this into something like room. So for the room, as you can see, there's multiple topics right here. Room idea. As you can see, there's multiple graphs here that you can look into, but for general, you can go ahead and look at this following graphs right here just below the search bar. Right here we have fall dinner recipes, we have Halloween nails, and right now home inspo is getting a lot of traffic with the 100% weekly change and the monthly change of 200%. So let's go ahead and do more research about this topic. So let's go on and go back to Pinterest. Let's just type home inspo right here. So basically, there's a lot of photos right here that you could go ahead and look into and take some inspiration from. But in this tutorial, we're just gonna go ahead and choose this photo. This is the channel. Let's go ahead and research about this channel. So this channel has about 237k followers and the monthly views are 10 million plus. So right here, we can go ahead and see some of their photos right here. A channel like this can definitely generate for around 10k per month. And with the next step, I'm going to show you how you could create some of this post right here in the right way. You don't have to edit anything, you don't need the camera, you don't need to talk into your mic. It's just basically copy and pasting, but in a legal way. We could go ahead and do that with the next step. First, every Pinterest account, including this one over here, has a banner, has a logo, the name, then the bio of account that represents what the account is about. And you also want to stick to the only particular niche. So that's why you want to use the trends on Pinterest to see which niche is going to be good and then just dive straight into that one. And don't get your focus divided into all of these different niches. So anyways, right now we are at Canva. We can go ahead and make our banner here on also our profile. Just go ahead and go up to the search bar right here and just go and search for Pinterest banners. After searching for Pinterest banners, you're gonna see a lot of these templates right here. Just go ahead and select your preferred template. So I'm just gonna go for this design. Just go ahead and click on this, customize this template. We can go ahead and start editing right here. I'm just going to delete some of these presets right here. Let's adjust this. And for now, we're not gonna promote any website, but if you have a website, you can go ahead and promote your website here. I'm just gonna erase all of this to keep this banner minimalistic. And you can go ahead and name your Pinterest account into anything that you want to. And if you're having a hard time thinking of a name, you can just go ahead and use ChatGPT to generate some names for you. I'm just gonna name mine something random like future designs. And we can go ahead and change some of the elements right here. Just go on over to elements right here and you can go ahead and search for something that you would want to replace them with. So right here we have a lot of presets. Just go ahead and drag them inside of your template. After finishing editing, just go ahead and click on the share right here. Go ahead and click on download. I'm just gonna download it as a PNG and click on download again. Now that we have our banner, let's go ahead and go back to Canva and let's go ahead and search for logo. Click on create a design, search for logo. And same as the last one, let's just go ahead and select one of the templates right here. Right now, this is the template that I have chosen. Let's just go ahead and edit this. After designing your logo, just go ahead and click on share, download, and click on download again. Now that we have our banner and we also have our logo, we can just go ahead straight to Pinterest and start editing our profile right here. For the first one, I'm just gonna choose my logo. After changing your logo, make sure you also edit your name and make sure it has the keyword that we are looking for right here. For example, I'm just gonna name mine Future Designs. And right here, we could name ourselves something like Home Inspiration or Home Decoration. Well, now that we have our logo and we also have our name here, the only thing left missing is our bio. We could go ahead and generate our bio by using ChatGPT. And I'm just gonna type, give me 200 words for my Pinterest account about home decoration niche, and ChatGPT easily generated our bio right here. It also included some of the hashtags right here, hashtag home deco, hashtag interior design, hashtag DIY, and hashtag home inspiration. Just go ahead and copy this and let's paste it straight to our Pinterest account. After adjusting everything into your profile, we can now go ahead and save our profile. Just go ahead and click on the save icon right here and it's saying it's profile saved, which is an indicator that we could go ahead and proceed to the next step. So this is how my profile looks. We can now go ahead and proceed to the affiliate marketing. You could simply go to TikTok, Instagram, or any other social media platform and find a influencer that is already posting in that niche. Right here, we have a Pinterest account that is simply just re-uploading TikTok videos and it literally gathers around 1 million views per month. Right here, it's just crediting the owner of the video, which is this one. And if we head on over to their profile, you can see how many views they get per month. 1.2 million is not bad. Right here, I have found a similar account on Instagram. Just go ahead and click on any of the reels right here. I'm just gonna go ahead and copy the link. And you could just go over into Save Insta and download the video without watermarks. Well, now that we have a video, we can now go ahead and click on create a pin, and just go over here and upload your photo. After uploading your photo, just go on over right here to edit the title that matches the photo. And right here is basically where you could tell everyone what your pin is about. You could go ahead and type this on your own, and you could also use ChatGPT to generate some pin ideas for you. But most importantly, just go on over and credit the owner of the photo. I'm just gonna go ahead and copy their name right here. I just even tag them because they have a Pinterest account. After crediting them, this is basically where you could paste your affiliate marketing links. This is where you could make a lot of money. So guys, if this video has been helpful for you, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. I'll see you again next time. Thank you.